believe if you were everything I wanted you to be. When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I asked myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. Yeah. I finally found
day. Left my girl in the cold ass winter, my whole last winter where I broke you sane. Hope I find a way that let me get up in there and release my innocence, give a whole lot of brain. Crazy how this whole thing changed. I was gonna tell you I love you, but you took too long to get back to me. Now I've been setting up interviews, replacing all of the faculty. Guess that I do not regret all the moments we had, but I had to leave. Oh, what a tragedy, a heart full of casualties. Somehow you mad at me, I wish you love. But you would not find you a better nigga. Was supposed to be king and Coretta with you. Now I'm taking my ring, keep the wedding pictures. I know we were not married, but I thought about it. Both get rich and buy all the houses. Have a couple kids, give them all allowance. Make sure they home when the street lights on. Used to think nothing could defeat our bond, until I became the couch that your feet up on. You got way too much pride to even see your wrongs. Luckily I wear glasses, I'm better without you. But I hope you find a purpose, and I still do what you love. Even the worst of us deserve it. Yo.
In the spring, to give your heart a song to sing, and say okay, but more than this, I wish you love. And in July, a lemonade, to call your instant leafy grace. I wish you health and more than well. I wish you love. My breaking heart, and I pray that you and I could never be. So with my best, my very best, I set you free. I wish you shelter from a storm, a cozy fire to keep you warm, but must fall when snowflakes fall. I wish you love. When snowflakes fall, I wish you love.
Okay, some more music to copyright my shit.
Critic got the juice.
Here go my version.
Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright
Let's listen to what he's
strikes.
singing about.
Yeah, you know me, they call me Jimmy. I'm here to run your city. All the nerds and the jocks with me. About 30 bands in my pants, what's happening? Yeah, you know me, they call me Jimmy. I'm here to run your city. All the nerds and the jocks with me. About 30 bands in my pants, what's happening?
Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes. Copyright strikes. I really don't like copyright strikes.
Copyright strike. Here this nigga go. That's what I'm. Let's listen to what he's singing about.